NAS is my baby, and it's taken me a long time to feel that I could let go of it and share it with other people.
The thing I love about NAS is that it started from the ground up with a girl with a vision, and she's now empowering other women.
So I launched our workshop facilitator program, allowing people to take on independent NAS businesses. They get fully trained, they get a full kit, but they get a whole lot of support as well. So NAS has decided that we will not sell into salon. We want to support our facilitators. To us, that is so important.
To be a NAS workshop facilitator, I have to believe in the brand. I see the vision. This is from the ground up. So you're not putting the makeup on, they are. And that's the thing, is that it's not being done for them, it's teaching them how. And you don't have to be an expert. Becoming a workshop facilitator, all the hard work's been done. Jen has created the look, all the tools, but really all it is learning how to apply step by step, which is what we're doing in our bathrooms every day.
Well, why not empower other women to go out and do exactly what I'm doing?
I think for someone that doesn't wear makeup a lot, and then you see friends that do wear makeup, and when they don't have their makeup on, you see their skin and you think, I know something that can help you.
The thing with NAS is that the products just make the skin come alive. You actually don't look like you're wearing makeup. You look healthy, younger.
And we don't just throw you in there and expect you to know everything. There is a 2-day intensive training program, and then of course there's other programs as well afterwards, more training if you want it. It's entirely up to you. It's your business.
And I wanted to get on board because I know that this product is so easy to people to use. They don't have to put this here, put that there. I need to be a makeup artist, an expert in the field to get that look, or I need to go and have my makeup done for an event. You can do it at home in 5 to 10 minutes, and I want to teach people how to do that.
It's for people who've got a passion for natural makeup, a passion to help other people, and for those women who want to empower others. I get such a buzz out of seeing women have that transformation. They come in looking one way and they leave looking another way, and they absolutely love it. You can see them. When they look good, they feel good. When they feel good, they even walk taller. That's what gets me. That's what keeps me going. I've seen women get so excited. They go out there, they do these amazing workshops. They know that they're also helping and empowering other women. And that is just such a snowball effect for them. They're getting what they want, you know, they're living their dream. They're doing something that they've got so much passion for that it's fantastic.